This is Antarctica, so it goes down here.
Okay.
But if that's Brazil...
Russia, so this goes over here.
No, that goes over here.
Goes over here? Oh.
You are geographically challenged, aren't you? Smarty pants.
Today I've managed to rope Roger into my project. We are going to cover the floor of the loft with brown craft paper and a giant wallpaper map. You know what? That is actually really good right there. Okay, I'm gonna start gluing.
No!
What's wrong?
It might not be in the right place.
Oops.
I think you're getting ahead of the game.
I know you think that.
I guess this is not an exact science.
If I'm doing it, it's not an exact science. This is like kindergarten.
There's something...
Yep, that's okay. That's gonna happen.
I'm not cut out for this. I want it to be too perfect.
If we were hanging us on a flat wall, we could get it perfect. But we're hanging it on a non-smooth floor. So perfection is not in our future. And I honestly don't think that's what we're looking for here. Push your bubbles out as you go.
Yeah. We got a fault line going through Greenland. I've lost all sense of perfection. This is my yoga for the day.
What is that, even?
This is downward facing kangaroo.
We have just a little bit more work to do before everything is done up here, and I think the grandkids are going to love it.
The guest house is looking great. We're installing the spiral staircase. The black metal railing on the second floor deck is going in. And today, Mom is bringing something from Karen's Corner back to life.
You want to roll this back up?
Yeah, here. Today, I'm in Tad's garage, and underneath all the crap in that garage, there's a 60-inch tub with beautiful feet that is going into the guest house.
So usually what we do, we'll chip away what's loose, fill in those areas, and then reglaze it.
So Paul and his son-in-law, Devontae, are there to prep and refinish the tub. And there's a lot of work. You have to scrape, and you have to sand, and then you have to fill all the holes. It then has to dry and be sanded, and then you prime.
Woo! I know, right? Holy moly.
Look how amazing this looks already.
It looks really good.
Just the primer.
That's just a primer?
Yeah.
I'm so glad you're finally using one of the things you've hoarded.
So Mina knows how to roll in on a job because we're about done. And she's rolling in and saying, how's things going?
I was working on very high-level things. I'm just a planner.
As you can see, I save a lot of things, and she gets annoyed with me. But now
she's using, but now, yeah, she's using.
She can see my
some of the
vision.
things.
Now she can see my vision.
Well, I'm glad you're happy with your
Yeah, super happy. Yeah.
All right, well, I'm gonna get out of here and let you guys wrap up.
Okay.
I feel like you're just watching, right?
I am just watching, but
right.
you know, I like watching.
I'm getting fumigated.
Yeah, the fumes are gonna, you come with me.
You need to get her out of here.
Yeah, you've had enough head injuries, you can't afford any fume problems.
Everything else is almost done, but there's one really important project. We need that railing to get put up in the loft area. And I think we should try and make it slightly symmetrical.
Because it's Mom, we can't just have normal railings that you would buy at the railing store.
The railing store. I have all of these old vent covers that I've collected from the houses, and they're heavy iron, and they've got really interesting patterns, and I think they'll look really nice up there. Clean them, paint them all white. I think it'll be interesting. I feel like 6 on one side, 4 on the other side is good. This looks fantastic. I mean, I just think it's cool looking. That's what I think. I think it's cool looking. And now that we have that all done, it's time to get all the furniture and fixins in. It's been 3 months and we started this guest house, and somehow we managed to finish it just in time for my son to come in from California, and I can't wait for him to see it. I'm more excited than usual that furniture's here because this furniture is for the guest house. This furniture is for my son, his wife, and my 2 grandchildren. There's some cute stuff. Yeah, this is the perfect place for a bench. There we go. Don't you just want to sit in this little chair?
That will not fit half of one of my butt cheeks.
I'm really enjoying seeing all the elements of this guest house come together. The first level is great for Roger and I, but what's really important is the guest house on the second floor. There's so many little touches in there that I sort of drew from a French country barn inspiration that are just, they came together so well. Kaz is gonna lose his mind over this.
Karen, could you come down here?
All right.
Something I need you to see.
I was upstairs putting some final touches on the guest house, and Roger called to me and said he needed my opinion about something downstairs. Okay.
You wanna see? Mama Chick's farm.
Thank you. That's so sweet.
Pardon my poor grammar. I do at least have an apostrophe.
He's so thoughtful. I'm just overwhelmed. It's such a sweet, thoughtful thing to do.
You're welcome.
Look at how well he takes a compliment. Come on. Where are you gonna sit? I don't know. You just chill right there, honey. And this is the last thing that we need to do before we show it to Ciara and Andrea and Kaz and Dom. Dom probably won't care.
Dom won't care. He might like the trucks.
Yeah, I think he'll like the trucks.
Yes.
Right. Our hard work is done.
You happy?
I'm very happy.
Okay.
Very
let's get
happy.
out of here. Here we are.
Currently, my son, Ciara, and his wife, Andrea, live in San Francisco, but they come back to Indianapolis to visit frequently. And when they come to stay, all four of them sleep in that upstairs bedroom together. It's a little crowded. So today, we're showing them the new guest house.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
Oh, wow, this looks nice.
Wow. Look at those windows.
Oh, wow. I love the staircase there and the whole porch area.
Door.
Oh, that's nice.
It looks like a barn.
I really like the color. That is wonderful.
Come on, let's go check
All
it
right,
out.
let's check it out.
And I put all kinds of special things in there for you, Kaz. So here's our deck.
Oh,
Got it?
wow, this is nice.
Look what's there, Kaz!
Ooh, what's that, bud? I think you can probably ride it if you want.
Get on there. This is the porch.
It's lovely.
So we had to cut down the size of the actual house because you're only allowed to have 720 square feet of living.
Right.
Okay.
But she was able to keep the bottom footprint. So all this living space became deck. Kaz, do you want BG to take us inside? Can I bring this too?
Yeah, let's go look inside.
Let's bring the tractor in.
Let's see.
Oh, wow, this is amazing.
Look at that ceiling.
Look, Kaz.
We call the house the farm. So this is the barn, and that decided the roof line and all of the interior finishes. So this is all reclaimed barn wood from my friend Angie. We wrapped the beams that hold the house together, covered the whole ceiling, and then she made me these awesome barn doors.
Oh, very creative.
The railings are just old floor grates that I've been saving from
that's
houses
cool.
that we have rehabbed.
Look at that.
All right, so come check out the kitchen. Mom made it very functional and efficient.
Yeah, this
She's
is just
got
lovely.
The cutest little baby
Beautiful.
appliances and quartz countertops.
Very
and
nice,
then
very
the
nice.
sink
yeah.
behind you is actually from one of our old houses
wow.
that she had reglazed.